Ready to ditch those generic book covers and craft the design that screams adventure? Let's dive into creating a killer travel book cover in Adobe Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. A standard book cover size is around 6 inches wide by 9 inches tall, but adjust to your publisher's specifications. Make sure the color mode is set to CMYK for printing. Now, grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that perfectly matches the dimensions of your artboard. This will be your base. Fill it with a color that complements your chosen travel destination. I'm using a light blue to evoke the sky over Santorini. Let's add some visual punch. Import a high-resolution image that captures the essence of your travel destination. I'm using an incredible photo of Santorini. Position and resize it to create a focal point. Time for typography. Select the type tool and add the title of your book. Choose a font that reflects the destination's vibe. Something clean and modern works well for Santorini. Adjust the size, leading, and kerning for readability. Experiment with different fonts and colors until you find the perfect combination. Consider using a contrasting color for the title to make it pop against the background image. Add the author's name below the title, using a smaller, complementary font. To add a touch of personality, incorporate a subtle design element. I'm adding a simple white line to separate the title and author name. Less is often more, so avoid cluttering the design. Consider using the pen tool to create a custom shape or illustration that adds a unique touch. Even a simple abstract design can elevate the overall look. And there you have it, a captivating travel book cover that's ready to grab readers' attention. Remember to save your file as a high-resolution PDF for printing. Now go on and design some stunning travel book covers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.